Hello, what's your name?
My name is Doan.
How are you?
Good, thank you. I'm you.
I'm also good. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6.
Okay, do you like cake? How many fingers do you have?
Hand.
Have you got brother? Have you got brother? Uh, okay. What are these?
And
What are these?
and
What are these?
finger.
What are these?
E.
Okay. Who is he?
Yeah.
Who is she?
Sister.
Who is she?
Mom.
Who is she?
Emma.
Very good. What food is it?
Biscuit. Ice cream. Banana. Sandwich.
Very good. What number is it? 16.
16. 18.
Okay, again 16.
16. 18.
Okay, tell me the sound and what is it? Sofa.
Sofa. Yeah.
Very good. Point to the ball. Where is the ball? Is this the ball?
Ball.
Is this the ball? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, where is grandma? Very good. What shape is the ball?
Ball.
What shape?
Sugar.
Very good. How many dogs are there? How many dogs? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.